Some reasons why insurance may not be the best investment product and why protection and investment should generally be kept separate. First, the primary purpose of insurance is to provide financial protection and transfer risk. Investments, on the other hand, are intended to grow wealth over time. Combining the two can blur these different purposes and may not optimize either. Second, returns on insurance-based investments may not keep pace with inflation as diversified investment portfolios. Third, insurance products can be complex with various features, riders that may be difficult to understand. This lack of transparency can make it challenging to assess the benefits of the product, leading in potential mismanagement. Insurance is primarily a risk management tool, while investments are focused on wealth accumulation. Combining the two may expose you to unnecessary risk. Fifth, lock-in period and illiquidity can be disadvantageous in insurance policies because they limit policyholders' access to their funds and reduce flexibility in managing their financial needs. Insurance often comes with restrictions on withdrawals and penalties for early termination. Sixth, insurance products often come with high charges that can reduce the overall return on investment, while some insurance products offer tax benefits such as tax-free withdrawals, but these benefits may come with trade-offs such as higher fees. To conclude with, while insurance plays a crucial role in protecting against financial risk, it's generally not the efficient or effective investment product for wealth accumulation. Separating protection and investment objectives allows for greater flexibility, transparency, and optimization of both strategies to meet your financial goals effectively.